Hello, little explorers! Welcome to Exploring Color and Foods. Today we're going on a yummy adventure to see tasty treats in every rainbow color. Are you ready? Let's go! Now come and see what we have here. Look, it's a red raspberry ice cream. Red raspberry ice cream. Let's see what's next. It's an orange jello. Orange jello. Up next is a plate of yellow French fries. Yellow French fries. The next one is it's a scoop of green tea ice cream. Green tea ice cream. Moving on to the next food. It's a group of blue bubble gum. Blue bubble gum. Up next is it's a purple smoothie. Purple smoothie. Let's see what's next. It's a pink pancake. Pink pancake. The next one is a plate of brown almond. Brown almond. Up next is a black chocolate donut. Black chocolate donut. Finally, this is the last one. It's a white color milk popsicle. White milk popsicle. Great job, everyone! Let's recap the colors we learned today. Could you repeat after me? Ready? Go! Red raspberry ice cream. Green tea ice cream. Yellow French fries. Orange jello. Blue bubble gum. Purple smoothie. Pink pancake. Brown almond. Black chocolate donut. White milk popsicle. Well done! Okay, little explorers, it's time for our rainbow snack game. I'll show you a yummy treat, and you shout out its color. Ready, set, let's go! Thanks for joining me on our rainbow snack adventure. If you had fun, ask your grown-up to tap that subscribe button so we can have more colorful, yummy fun together. Bye-bye! See you soon!